How to fix WoW Warlock and Demon Hunter players unable to login or error 132. 1. Check if you installed the affected B.10.0.7 update. If so, you would have to get any newer patch to fix this reported 055F38A66F8450F80A0025678B4043 error messages. 2. Below are few things that you can do to try to fix the issue with Warlock and Demon Hunter players unable to log in or error 132 in World of Warcraft. 2.1 Check your internet connection. The World of Warcraft servers require an internet connection to work properly. If your internet connection is not working properly, you may experience this error. 2.2 Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix problems with the World of Warcraft servers. 2.3 Update your graphics card driver. Outdated graphics card drivers can cause problems with the World of Warcraft servers. To update your graphics card driver, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest driver. 2.4 Repair the World of Warcraft installation. If the World of Warcraft installation files are corrupted, you may experience this error. To repair the World of Warcraft installation, go to the World of Warcraft installation directory and run the repair tool. 2.5 Contact Blizzard support. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Blizzard support for further assistance. Blizzard has also acknowledged the issue and is currently working on a fix.